These are the 6 simple steps to install the L200 Fertigation system. All the components are included for installation except a tank. The pump unit is fully assembled with the master valve cable attached. The injection valve with a 3/4 and amp, 1T. Foot valve. And connection tubing. The first step is to mount the fertigation unit on a wall near the irrigation controller and a 115V power source. The next step is to install the injection valve in the irrigation line downstream from the backflow device. We include a 3/4 inch and amp, a 1-inch T to install it in the line. If the injection valve is installed in the ground, you should place a valve box over it for future service. Next step is to connect the tubing to the injection valve and the pump discharge union connections. Push the tubing in the connection all the way until it dead ends in the fitting. Next, connect the tubing to the foot valve and the pump suction fittings. The foot valve will be placed in the fertilizer container or a tank. You can use the fertilizer container as a tank, or install a small tank. Next, connect the control cable to the irrigation controller master valve terminals. The last steps are: plug in the power, prime the pump following the steps on the door, scan the QR code on the door, to watch the video to calculate the pump rate and set it. Now you are ready to fertigate.